In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a help center in Notion. This tutorial will walk you through creating a clean and organized help center where users or team members can easily find answers, guides, and documentation all in one place. One of the biggest advantages of using Notion is that it makes building a help center simple with ready-made templates. These templates save time and help ensure your help center looks structured, clear, and professional without starting from scratch. To get started, log in to your Notion account and go to your homepage. From there, click Marketplace. In the search bar, type Help Center or Knowledge Base, and you'll see a variety of templates designed to help you get started quickly. Depending on your needs, you might find templates for customer support, internal documentation, or FAQ-style help centers. Take a moment to browse the options and choose the template that best fits your use case. Once you find a template that works for you, click the template thumbnail to preview it. Previewing the template lets you see the layout, the sections included, and how information is organized. This step is important because it ensures the template covers key elements, like categories, articles, FAQs, and helpful links. After confirming that the template meets your needs, click Add. You can add it to your personal workspace or a shared workspace so your team or users can access it. After the template has been added, click on it to open it in Notion. Here you can customize the Help Center to match your content. You can edit headings, add or remove categories, write help articles, and link to important resources or pages. The main benefit of using a template is that it gives you a ready-made structure, so you can focus more on writing helpful content instead of designing the layout from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully built a help center in Notion using a template, making it easy to organize information, support users, and share knowledge in one central place. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.